3 barbecue pits. Oh! Crystal Creek
Crystal Creek.
Waterfall. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Waterfalls. Or waterfall. This is nice. This looks
Don't
like
go with that.
a park. It's supposed to be like an easy hike. It's only like a 0.6 mile hike and 52 feet of elevation. That's like literally flat. So time right now is 6:51. We have like 20 minutes before the sun sets. So, but you can see the sun. The sun's still shining, and it's still bright. So there's still light, but we have powerful flashlights in case it gets dark. So I've hiked through dark before, like pitch dark. It's paved. I can hear the creek. So we'll see and work out. Start the workout here. Three, two, one. There it goes. Look at that, it's paved. So at the parking lot, I don't know if you saw it, there's plenty of cars there. It's Angie's taking picture of those purple blossoms. So let's see how long this hike will be. It's like an easy hike. The bathroom over there at the Whiskey Town Waterfall trailhead, it's so clean, and I bet the bathroom over here is so clean too. You can't even smell anything. You can tell there's probably not much people that goes here. So we don't know where to pay the fee here. A day use fee. I think Parks and Recreation are part of the government shutdown right now. I don't know if that's affecting the amount of rangers in this park. So this blossoms right here. It's like a painting, a Japanese / Chinese painting. Look at that. There's a lot of water here. Probably can hear it. There's a lot of water. It's louder than the water. What was that? Whiskey Town Creek. So we're 0.12, so 0.5 more. They do have picnic tables here and barbecue pits. 3 barbecue pits. Oh! It's right there. It's just that? Okay. I'm not gonna reveal it to you. It's a surprise. It's like, I thought it's a...
Oh, and this is the end.
I thought it's 0.6 miles. It's not even 0.6 miles. It's just 0.19. Wow. Okay. Angie and I will reveal. Okay, Mama. 1, 2. What's this? Creek. What?
Crystal Creek.
Crystal Creek.
Crystal Creek.
Waterfall or waterfall. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Lots of water. I was prepared to walk a long way. It's so near. I wonder where the other people went. Because there's lots of cars there. So we're gonna go down. It was like rushing. I think this is also where I saw people taking a bath at the base of the waterfall. Wow, you can actually take a bath here. Look at that, you can actually take a bath here. Just don't go what do you call that? Oh, the current is strong, so I don't know how safe that is. Look at that. And there's a little dam there. Wow. You're not going down? Wow. Oh, there are those people. There they are. Wow. I bet you can. Oh, there's still a trail. There's still a trail going up. Yeah, but we're not going there. Wow, right there. It's a huge waterfall. I don't know how you call it, waterfalls or waterfall. It's probably a waterfalls because there's a bunch of them cascading. I keep on mistaking it. Keep on keeping a mistake, making a mistake. Waterfall, waterfall. In the Philippines, we just all call it waterfalls because the water falls. You can feel the mist here, and that's sandy. Wow, you wanna take a bath? I'll take a bath. So actually Sundial, okay, we will go to Sundial Bridge. So is that the Sundial Park? Huh? Sundial Park? Huh? Sundial Park is a Korean actress. Oh, it's Sandara. Sandara Park. Zendaya is the American actress. Okay, going back to the car now. So that was good. Angie's still taking pictures right there. I'm gonna wait for her. Oh no. Somebody was there, right there. And very recent, they just made that ring of mud there, or sand. Huh? Huh? Oh, we didn't take a selfie there. Let's go take a selfie there. Golly. So we did not take a selfie there, so we will go back and take one. Why don't we do it properly? Oh, let's just do the selfie. We don't have much time. Hang on. There you go. We're not doing this properly because we need to have a tripod. You wanna get the tripod? Inside? So we're gonna do this properly. Okay. And okay. And hang on, hang on. You have to click it. Okay. You need to find ma'am. Ma'am, at the bulsa after the kwan sa tunga after the main there's the kwan ang magnetic. Let me do it. Hold it. Give me this one. Okay, ma'am. Tayo na to. Careful. There you go. Good, good, good. How do you have your time? Okay, it's okay for the time. Okay, good, good, good. I think that's good. Don't move. Okay, once more. O naman. Okay. Let's just go like this. Okay, start. Okay, and last, like this.
Pwede na din siguro dito.
Ah?
Pwede na dito.
Okay, ready. Okay. Yay. Okay na.
Sunset is seen.
Hmm?
Okay na?
I think it's okay na. Take a look. It's good?
Yeah. Galing ang ari lang, but we can...
Yeah, it's okay. We can crop. Hold it. Look at how I do it.
I have a hard time.
Look at
Not
this.
equal.
Go down.
I
And then
know.
pull. Go down. Pull. Okay. Hang on.
I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it, Daddy.
Quick, quick, quick. Okay. Okay, bye. Creek water. Crystal Creek Waterfall or Waterfalls. Here, let's do a selfie here just so. yan. Okay. Yay!
Dali! Putol yung ulo mo.
Where?
There, andun.
Hang on. Once more. Okay. Okay. Tapos mo. So it's all paved trail here towards the Crystal Creek waterfall. There's still a trail going up, probably to go to the top, but we didn't try it. We saw the waterfall already, but there's actually lots of water, probably more water than the other waterfall earlier, which was Whiskey Town waterfall. I don't know why it's called Whiskey Town. It's probably that's the origin of the name is self-explanatory, but I don't know the history, and I'm not gonna explain it. There was a bird here earlier with a orange belly. Gone. So it's a 0.6. So it's probably a 0.6 miles if you're gonna go up the top of the waterfall. And I saw people there earlier, so I was asking where were those people that's parked there at the parking lot, because nobody was there when we arrived at the base of the waterfall. So I saw them. They came from the upper trail. Would have been nice to what do you call that, take a bath in that water, but I touched the water earlier at the Whiskey Town waterfall, and it was very cold, probably at daytime where the sun is very hot. It's gonna be very nice to take a dip there, but I don't think we're going back here tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll find other waterfalls, and there are gonna be other waterfalls that are mesmerizing if you see them in Instagram. Angie knows the name. I'll know the names tomorrow. I can barely name these two waterfalls that we went to today. Keep on making a mistake. It's a nice waterfall. This is something that we can bring them here. We'll probably see but the hotel where we were is nice. It can fit 4 people and it's very inexpensive. I'll show it to you later. It's in the forest and there's still a signal there. They told me they didn't have signal, but AT&T still has a signal there, an LTE signal. So we worried that it was gonna be like very remote in the mountains, in the forest, but it wasn't. It's just like less than 5 minutes from the highway. And we can go through to Shasta Caverns coming from there. So we'll do that on Friday. Today's
So
one.
tomorrow we'll do Hedge and then Moss Bay.
We'll do
McLeod.
Hedge, Moss Bray, McLeod.
Yeah.
Those are the 3.
No.
They're Hedge, McLeod, Moss Bray.
Hedge, Moss Bay, McLeod,
Uh-huh.
a Ferry, and Sweetbriar.
Prairie,
Ferry,
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 like a ferry.
like a ferry, like Tinkerbell.
Okay, ferry. And what's the last one?
Sweetbriar, I think it's just around there.
Sweet what?
Sweetbriar.
Okay. And they're like how many?
I think
1 hour.
Sweetbriar one is like
1 hour away.
Sige. 1 hour away ang ano.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. We're going to. Okay. We're going to the Sundial. Sundial Bridge.